Big thanks to Kamado Joe for sponsoring this episode.
Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful dry aged roast. I've been working for Pitmaster for around 3 years now, and every time we eat lamb in this studio, there's just something happening inside my head. I see the stars coming up in my head. Bling, bling, bling. But there's one special moment that always stick with me, and that is that we once recreated the favorite dish of Alexander the Great. It was a yogurt-based marinade and it sounded crazy, but it was just amazing. So the other day, our favorite butcher Gert-Jan was here and he brought a whole lamb, like huge. But I was eyeballing that leg of lamb. So I said to Gert-Jan, what do you want for it? You know, well, can we make a deal? So I cleaned his garage and now I have this. Oh man, this is a dream come true. I love lamb. I'm gonna recreate that whole yogurt thing, but I'm gonna use ras el hanout. Ras el hanout is a famous North African and Middle Eastern used rub. It basically means the best spices in the shop. Now it's time for the marinade. I'm gonna start by adding 6 tablespoons of ras el hanout, 4 tablespoons of tomato puree, 6 crushed garlic cloves, 300 grams of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil and a couple pinches of Madon salt. Now mix it up. I'm going to carve into the lamb because I want to create more surface for a marinade. Get it into all nooks and crannies and make sure that it's covered completely. All those flavors are going inside the deepest parts of the lamb. Once it's all covered, set it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. For this cook, I'm gonna start up my big joe. I'm gonna fill it up with big block. So, the knijter. Put in some fire starters, light them up, and then when the charcoal is up to temperature, I'm gonna put in my heat deflectors and then my grill grates over top, because we want an indirect cook. So I got my beautiful lamb roast right here. I'm gonna place it in the center of the barbecue. Now, I'm gonna stick in a meter. Gonna stick it in right here. Find the center part. Now we can keep track of it. I'm gonna close the lid and let it roast. It's been an hour and I wanna check our beautiful lamb. So here we go. Oh man, that looks absolutely amazing. I wanna check on that crust. We're currently at 38 degrees Celsius. And because we have high temperatures in the barbecue, I want to prevent it that it overcooks. So I'm gonna place the lamb in a tray, put it back on and keep on roasting it until we have a temperature of 55 degrees Celsius. This is the perfect timing we start working on the dipping butter. Add a stick of butter, let it melt, then slice some green chili peppers, some cilantro, and add that to the pan. Mix it up, put it in a jar and set it aside for later. Now place some Lebanese bread on the side of the barbecue and now it all comes together. This all started weeks ago when we dry aged the whole lamb. Then the butcher took it all apart and I got my own cut of the lamb. Then I created a powerful marinade with yogurt and ras el hanout. We roasted it over indirect heat for 3 hours and now it looks juicy, crispy and tender. It's time to take it off. This is all I ever wanted. Beautiful lamb, as much as I can eat. No one around to share some with, except for Jim. And well, the dog is even gone. Don't speak that loud though. I got it right here. I'm gonna bite in, straight up. That's what you want.
It's so crazy that the yogurt works so well.
Forget about sandwich. I need one of those. Those top chunks. No man. Eva, you should know how good this is.
It is really good, right? All right, I'm gonna just fill this up. We got some onion here and then some spicy butter. This looks really nice. It's just a flavor bomb. Of this already is good, but now, wow.
It's everything I ever wanted in lamb. It has a smoke ring, it has smoke color, it has smoke flavor, it has all those spices. And then completing this as a roast. Wait a minute, you're gonna get... Okay, here you go. And then you bite into it and you have all those flavors, all those beautiful lamb flavors. If there's something in this world that you can wake me up for, it's this. Do you love lamb as I do?
Yeah.
Because sometimes I feel like I'm the only one in the world that actually likes lamb. But I really do have that feeling. So if you're watching this and you have that same obsession with lamb, please comment down below. I don't want to feel like the only one in the world. Me and Jim and Eva, we feel like the only one.
It's so good.
It's ridiculous.
Wow.
I want to eat this every day.
Same.
Do you get that?
And then at night, and then in the morning.
Yeah, it's amazing. I'm gonna get all the other guys.
All right, we have to share this.
Yeah, man. And I have to make place for that thingy right there.
This thing. The thing. The video. So I want to thank you all for watching. I hope you will make this recipe. I want to thank the YouTube members, the Patreons. See you guys next time. Until then.
Eet smakelijk.
And keep on grilling.